I forgot to turn my mic on again. So, here we are. You know, I specifically told myself, I was like, when I was turning on the camera, I was like, don't forget the mic. Guess what I forgot? The mic. What I was saying before I had turned on my mic, I wanted to play music, but I didn't want to get copyrighted for it. I don't know how, well, I mean, I kind of know how all that, I kind of get the gist of how all that works. Like, I pretty much do know, but, like, I don't want to get in trouble because I'm always afraid I'm going to get in trouble for something. What I was saying about my brows was that, first of all, I'm going to say it just like everybody else does. Sorry I look crazy right now. In the mirror, oh, that's terrible. It doesn't look that crazy. But when I look at it in the viewfinder, I look a little scary. But it'll look better, I promise. I promise. I promise. I'm gonna see if I can't play a little music. Ooh, that'll be good.
Trying my best to smile. When I would be Channing Tatum or somebody sexy, somebody cool.
My friend is here. He always just walks in the door and I love it. That sounded so sarcastic, but it's not.
All the time it takes for sweet loving.
And I'm just using my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me.
Cautious of a lover trying to hold me. They put them on the street with the bums and the tramps that nobody needs.
What kind of shadow did she have? Looks very bronzy. I think what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm just gonna use my bronzer. Better bronzer. I didn't set it. Who am I? This is the Maybelline, I think. I like this one. Amazing. That was a close one. Blend her to God. Now I guess we're gonna do liner, because why not? Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So I don't know how I'm gonna film this. We'll find out, I guess. I need to look at her for inspiration. Yes, honey. Yes, yes, yes. She is beauty. She is grace. She is beauty. She is great. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I am. She's not the best. Maybe if I do this one, it'll be better. Interesting. She's thicker than most, and she's a skinny hoe. I guess what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to make it just like this one. She's beauty, she's grace. I need to shut up. I'll continue, I guess. There's always light. There's always light that shines right here, and I can't ever see the wings, so this is what I do. I look so unhappy, but I'm really not. I mean, I really am happy. Wait. I guess now I do lashes. And we're gonna go all in today, ladies. All in. I got these Lilly freaking lashes. These Lilly lashes in TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. Look at this. TJ Maxx. When the price tag was on it, it said that they were originally $15 a piece. I got them for $8 a piece. So don't turn down the makeup section at TJ Maxx, because I bought this Stila lip gloss, liquid lipstick. I mean, don't turn it down because you will miss out if you don't already know. My friend Morgan told me that, and ever since I've been shopping there every time I am in town. So thanks, Morgan. I'm gluing my lash right now. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I normally do like mascara first. I guess we'll find out how this goes. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yes. Ow, ow, In my eye. In my eye. Ow. I can't wait to die. That's attractive. This is not even glued on. I annoy myself sometimes. I'm like, this is why you don't have a lot of friends. So, I want to do a vlog sometime. I just don't know how to go about that. That's the thing. Like, I thought that there was like a certain sort of tripod for your camera to use in the car. I can't find it, so, but I really want to do a vlog. I don't know why, dude. There's not a lot of places around here that's interesting enough to vlog where I live, if that makes any sense. If you want to vlog, let me know. All right. Gonna let that baby dry. Yes. Yes. That's cringy. Stop that. Years from now, honestly, I don't feel ordinary because I haven't left my house in a while. But that's never enough, because when you lose the one you love. Did I already curl this lash? I don't even know, but we're gonna do it again. I almost didn't film this today. I wanted to film, but I was kind of not feeling good. But I got through it, and I feel great now. I love it when my tweezers stick to my lash. That's so frustrating. Someone's coming upstairs. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi.
I know you could hear me downstairs making a ruckus.
Yes. You're on camera.
Are they recording?
Yes.
Oh. Are you putting on makeup? Why have a long john? Are you practicing, or is this like something you're uploading? This is me getting pressed.
I'm pressed. I wasn't ready.
It's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Why?
Because.
Why are you keeping it recording?
Because I'm filming right now.
Like to upload it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're editing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah. There goes my dog. Ooh.
Well, how's that? You exposed me for God.
I really did, and I'm excited about it.
What look are you doing?
Yes.
A look so inspired by one of my previous looks I did when I was much younger, for which I shall caption here.
Yeah. I want to look that's more sacrosanct.
No.
The hue.
The hue. The two.
The two.
Two. Do you think we'll get copyrighted if I start listening to Bag That Ass Up and dancing?
I hope so.
I have to tinkle.
I think now I'm going to start on my face. And I'm going to use this Magic Lumi to kind of like prime and glow, because it's going to be glowy. A glowy hoe, you know? What a hoot. Oh, and I'm using this serum first. This glow serum. Yes, acne. Love her. I put it here, here. Pause. And then here, here. And I put it on my nose. Cupid's bow. On my chin a little bit. And then I take my fingers and put it. I'm gonna put a little more, because why not? After this, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do foundation. I'm actually almost out of foundation. I kinda am out of foundation, but we're gonna work with what we have. I think I'm gonna put this on I normally have this little plate that I mix my foundations on, but it's not really usable at the moment. I guess I'm gonna beauty guru and put it on the back of my hands, because like, why not? I'm going to use the same foundation, just in a lighter shade. The first one was in 220, and now this one is in 120. Speaking of makeup, I am actually going to start selling makeup soon. It's called Limelight, or they're changing the name to Lime Life. And this makeup line is what they used in Hollywood with all the celebrities and stuff used, and the fancy makeup artists used on celebrities. So it's like really good makeup. It's very high quality, and they're just now releasing it to like the public. But anyway, I'm going to start selling that makeup soon. I'll probably do like an unboxing or something. I don't know. If y'all want that, let me know. When I contour, I'm going to go straight to contour. I'm going to conceal in a little bit. Normally when I contour, I normally use this Loreal Pro palette. I normally use this shade mostly, and then I go back and deepen it just a little bit with that. But I'm gonna try this Anastasia palette, and I'm gonna use the same brush that I normally use to contour. I'm gonna go in with this in one. I don't know. You probably don't care, but I just told you. I feel like I cannot get right. I cannot get right. My card ran out of space again. That's fun. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Throw it back. And I love it when you take. And I love it when you take. My love. I'm 27. I love that vibe.
I smelled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you smell lipstick in my Valentino bag.
We're almost done, ladies.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Like,
Yes. I've been recording, yes. That's the whole reason I'm putting on makeup this whole time.
when does it end?
When I'm done.
just like,
Let me do my lower lash line.
I am gonna call my mama. Hey, Mom. Hey, how are you doing? I'm good. I just got off of work, so I'm at Gracie's house.
Hi.
Yeah, I was just gonna let you know. Yep. What are you doing right now? Okay, you had a great day. Yeah. Awesome. Well, I'll probably head home here in about an hour or two, so I'll see you later.
Mommy's boy.
Oh, Mama! So you think you can stone me and spit in my eye?
We need Khadijah in here, and we need to get Morgan in here.
Naturally. Have some not makeup.
Found it. Your makeup? I want to try this. I got this from Morgan. It's the Bare Minerals
Did she
palette.
give you a beauty blender?
No.
She gave me a lot.
That's not what that is. Copyrighted. Ooh, B, I like this.
Is this your first time trying it?
Yes.
That's dangerous.
I'm absolutely
Am I
loving.
supposed to spread this? I'm not supposed to like color.
No, like don't cover your whole face with that. Thank you, Morgan. Woo!
Are you gonna show them my pretty pants? These are my going to work pants.
I don't
You
want
don't-
to show my room.
God, I'm a big enough area I can block it.
We love comedy.
How much of this are you editing out?
We'll find out.
I'm so hairy.
Same.
Do they get the water running back into Cole's room?
Probably not. I don't think so. My house is broken.
So am I.
Me too.
My toe hurts because of my ingrown depression. I lost the lid.
The lid. No, the lid. The lid.
Oh, I
The
found
lid.
it.
The lid. The lid. The lid.
I'll be right back.
Thank God he's gone. I'm just kidding. Lipstick is next. Lipstick. Oh no.
I wanted to sit down, not on the floor.
I was in mid-application.
I'm mid condensation.
Ooh, it's
I've
kind
been
of hot
thinking
here.
about how bad I have to pee. I can write a song. It's called a freestyle. It's by Ariana Grande.
I'll catch a grenade.
I'll catch malaria for you.
This looks so bad.
What does?
This?
It looks so bad?
Uh-huh.
It does. Your red dress on tonight.
Like that vine with the chicken. I got my red dress.
Dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moon.
Give me your ukulele. I'm gonna play you some background music so you'll really know what I'm talking about. In the key of E.
I have a keyboard
You have a keyboard?
in the thingy. You know, it's Dad's old one. It's in the
Do I just turn it on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's turn this BB on. Where's it at?
It's right.
Ah.
Yeah. No. Wait, no. It's this.
Wait, how do you play sale? Dun 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 dun. The Charlie's Angels. No, that was Charlie and the Chocolate. No, Charlie Brown.
I've been putting this on for 5 years. It's kind of out of line right here. But we still look good. We still look poppin'.
What a sick beat to be laying down.
Welcome to Bible study. We're all children of Jesus.
If you look the camera in the eye, it doesn't judge you as hard. It's the ghost.
Snacks. These biscuits.
I was at work the other day, and I said, it was that, I was one with Caitlin. I said, and she said, you're not Cardi B, don't do that. And so I said, who's Cardi B? But then I realized I kind of read Cardi B and I felt bad, so I private messaged her.
Oh, that's not my phone.
That's mine.
But that's me. You know?
Beauty Gara. Rose Batar. Of course. Thank you.
I think I'm done.
I ate it.
I think I'm done with my makeup, I guess.
She is beauty. She is grace. She gets on my nerves with her long horse face.
Your stash is sweating.
I guess you get to expose me. I exposed you why. Have you ever just brushed your hair because it felt good?
Yes.
Oh!
This is my makeup look. I think it turned out pretty well, don't you think?
I'm gonna eat razor burn. You said that.
I told these biscuits. My friend Khadijah exposed me the last time I made a video because I didn't say subscribe, like, and comment. So subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Share it with all your friends.
Oh, please.
Click that little bell notification so you can notify. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Click the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload, so you can get more of this.
I clicked the bell specifically so I could thumb it down every time it came up. When you watch like a lyric video, and there's thumbs down for the lyric video, and it doesn't make sense because it's just words. Like even if it's like, you know, the color background's purple.
Always hate.
There's always somebody that's got some negative thing to say. That's me.
It's always great.
It's always me. And the thing is, like, I'm not pretty enough to be mean. I'm not smart enough to be mean.
So no one can drag him.
Nobody can drag me. Good luck. Good luck. My name is Sarah Jessica Parker, and I am being held against my will.
I think I have a video idea.
Hit me with a video idea. Tell me. Before you start, underwater cats is the theme.
Thank you for what? Let's say it at the same time.
Thank. I can't do it. There's no other way to end it. Did you?
Bye. 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 Later.
I'm moving
dudes.
out.